हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस जीएसटी न्यूज़ में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कि आपको जीएसटी लायबिलिटी किस प्रकार कैलकुलेट करनी होती है और आईटीसी किस प्रकार सेटअप करना है। यह क्वेश्चंस ये फाइनल एग्जाम में भी पूछा गया था। रेगुलर अपडेट के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, नोटिफिकेशन बेल को प्रेस करना ना भूलें ताकि जैसे ही हम कोई नया अपडेट डालें आपके पास इमीडिएटली यह अपडेट पहुंच जाए। तो चलिए फ्रेंड डिस्कस करते हैं से फाइनल एग्जाम का क्वेश्चन। मिस्टर जॉर्ज, अ रजिस्टर्ड सप्लायर ऑफ गुड्स एट केरला हु पेज जीएसटी अंडर रेगुलर स्कीम हैज मेड द फॉलोइंग ट्रांजैक्शन एक्सक्लूसिव ऑफ टैक्स ड्यूरिंग अप्रैल 2018। New Delhi, he purchases 5 lakh rupees and he sold 10 lakh rupees. So he is from Kerala and he is selling the goods in New Delhi, so it is an interstate transactions. 18% GST is there. Trivandrum, he is from Kerala and he is selling within the state. 8 lakh is the sale on which 9% CGST and 9% SGST will be paid, and he is making purchases of 2,50,000 from within the state, so he will pay 9% CGST and 9% SGST on his inputs. Apart from that, he has complied with all the condition of availing the input as credit and has the following ITC credit on 1st April 2018. CGST credit is given, SGST credit is given, and IGST. There is also interest and penalty amount. Compute the net CGST, SGST and IGST payable by Mr. George during April 2018 in cash. Friends, first of all you will calculate the input as credit that will be available with the person. There is opening balance that is given and he has made the purchases from within the state, 2,50,000. So 9% CGST, 9% SGST will be his input as credit, and he has made purchases from outside the state of 5 lakh, so he must have paid IGST. So based on that, we have opening balance of input as credit of CGST, SGST and IGST. Since he have made the purchases from New Delhi, so he must have paid IGST on this 90,000, and he had made purchases from within the state, that is Trivandrum, so he must have paid CGST and SGST. So total input as credit available is 5 to 500, 5 to 500 and 1,90,000 of IGST. Friends, in this case, this input as credit will be utilized to pay respective liability. So IGST will be first utilized to pay IGST and balance left will be used to set up CGST. Similarly, SGST input as credit will be used to pay SGST liability. You cannot utilize interest and penalty to pay your liability. So friends, in this case, first of all you will calculate the amount of outward supply. So sale is made outside Kerala in New Delhi. So sale of rupees 10 lakh has been made, on which 1,80,000 must have been charged as IGST. If sale is made within Trivandrum of 8 lakh, then he must charge CGST and SGST, and you can use your input as credit to set off your liability. So first of all, CGST credit will be used to set off CGST liability, and SGST credit will be used to set off SGST liability, and IGST credit will be used to set off IGST liability. Since we are having IGST input as credit of 1,90,000, whereas liability is only 1,80,000, so balance 10,000 that is left you can use to set off your CGST liability. So the balance amount that is left is 9,500 of CGST, 19,500 of SGST that has to be paid through cash. So friends, this kind of example you will receive in future also. Please share this video to the maximum students so that they can get the benefit of this. If you like this video, please click on the like button. फ्रेंड्स, अब आप मेरे चैनल CS सतबीर सिंह की मेंबरशिप को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, जिससे कि जो एक्सक्लूसिव वीडियोज़ हैं सिर्फ मेंबर्स के लिए, इनकम टैक्स, GST, फाइनेंस, इट एक्स्ट्रा पर, उन्हें रेफ़र कर सकते हैं। फ्रेंड, जिन लोगों ने CS सतबीर सिंह चैनल की मेंबरशिप ली है उनके लिए मेंबर्स ओनली वीडियो का लिंक इस न्यूज़ की वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी दिया गया है और सेपरेट से प्लेलिस्ट भी दी गई है, आप वहां जाके ये वीडियो देख सकते हैं।